ULTRALOQing the door.
My door is always open. This is what we tell our loved ones, the people in our lives who are forever welcome in our homes. Now it truly can be, and you don't have to change a thing. Meet the Level Lock, the world's first invisible smart lock designed to fit seamlessly inside your door. Thoughtfully crafted for effortless installation and battery replacement. And engineered from the ground up to deliver efficiency, reliability, and quality you can trust. The Level Lock invisibly offers you and your loved ones new opportunities to live in the moment.
Unlock the front door!
To truly invite people in.
What caught my attention to the smart lock is the versatility it has. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a door sensor, this lock really has it all. One of the things I wanted for me and my family was the freedom of not having to carry keys. We've spent a lot of money in lost keys and locksmith visits, and now and if we don't want to use either of these two, we can unlock it with the app. There are two features that are my favorite and great for peace of mind. First, the smart auto lock that works with the door sensor. So the YEEUU Pro Wi-Fi will lock only if the door is closed. And if someone leaves the door open, I will get a notification on my phone. The second one is the auto unlock. That comes pretty handy when I come home from the supermarket with my hands full of groceries. One other feature that I love is the built-in Wi-Fi, because it allows me to control the lock from anywhere without any extra hubs. If I have an electrician or handyman coming, I can schedule specific codes for days and times I want with the app. Everything was up and running. If this was not enough, the Alexa integration is awesome. I can check from the comfort of my bed and know if the door is locked. Alexa, is the front door locked?
The front door is unlocked.
Battery life is also great. I get low battery notifications, and if the battery dies, I can use a power bank or a regular key. The YEEUU Pro Wi-Fi has made our lives easier and has given us peace of mind. It was a great decision to upgrade from our regular lock.
Imagine anyone can install a smart door lock with just one screwdriver. And you have a worry-free door lock that can automatically lock your door right after it's been opened. That's what FIDO offers you, and much more. FIDO is designed to be a highly secure and smart lock. It recognizes the door's open status according to the rotation angle of the handle. When FIDO determines that the door is open, it automatically locks the door and keeps unwanted followers outside. If the door lock is vandalized, you will be notified remotely, and the alarm will be triggered immediately. The simple and cable-free design allows it to be installed in just 15 minutes on both left and right-facing doors. On your FIDO app, you can share the unlocking authority with different users remotely and set the time window for unlocking. FIDO records the door opening information in real time and pushes it to the administrator, so you know all historical operation records at any time, anywhere. For the elderly and children with unstable fingerprints, we have designed a dime-sized inductive door card for using with FIDO, or easily activate the lock by Bluetooth. Combining the ergonomic design of the handle and unique fingerprint recognition, FIDO offers the most comfortable unlocking experience. It takes only 1 second to open the door. With 128-bit AES encryption, FIDO effectively prevents counterfeiting and protects your privacy. FIDO is designed by a Red Dot award-winning team, a great interpretation of technology and minimalism. With super low power consumption, FIDO can work for 1 year with just 2 AAA batteries. It alerts you when the battery is lower than the warning line.